Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to start a new playthrough here on the channel. We're going to be playing Sons of the Forest. Now me and Charlie have played this game before, but we played it when it was in beta. Was it beta?
Yeah, I was in beta.
And well, the game was really laggy, really frame droppy then because the game was not fully developed, but now it's fully out. So we shouldn't be lagging too much. There might still be a little bit of stuff in like major action points since we don't have the best computers. But it should be a lot better than when we first played this game and completed it. But I heard there's a lot more like different ways to complete the game now, though. Am I right?
I heard some about that. I don't know if it's true though.
Well, let's get started and me get going and see what we can find in the first episode.
All right.
If it doesn't lag, if it lags, y'all want to put that shit on.
A little friend. That's alright. Wow. That choke's really fucking zoomed in, but oh well.
I'm loading in still.
Dang, this so loaded in. Oh, here we go.
I think it's taking me longer to load in because I'm not the leader.
Hey, it's my boy Kelvin. Barbara Puffton. Looks so damn fancy. She sure shit don't. Virginia. I don't know how to pronounce that. I didn't finish school. Oh well. Alright, what's this? Site map. Fuel. Let's close our laptop.
Are you already in the damn cutscene and stuff?
Yeah, I've been in a cutscene.
Oh, that's nice. I haven't even loaded in all the way yet. It's halfway through Forest.
Damn. Oh shit, I'm falling down. Oh shit, I see a little bit frame drop. Oh shit, something fell.
Oh shit, my PC, it's on fire. Oh shit.
Oh shit, something fell. Imagine if it was fucking kicked them out. Oh shit, we finna drown.
I'm gonna commentate like I'm in the helicopter with you. Don't you push me out, you fat motherfucker.
Oh, he did.
I don't want to die yet. Hold on to me. Oh god, why are we at 10 frames?
I ain't. I think.
Oh, I hear a helicopter.
Hold up, give me a sec. Hold up. I'm on. Yeah! Kick that shit open. Man, let's climb our little ass.
I'm gonna skip mine. I'm gonna skip mine.
Alright.
Oh, I'm just dead. Alright, we skipped this one.
Alright.
Alright, we skipped this one. Since you already got the footage. I'm on the ocean, right?
I think it's ocean now, yeah. Oh, yep. Who the fuck? Who? I just got kicked! Who are you again? Oh yeah, we are the press.
Oh, hello. Where are you at?
Oh, I thought he was trying to shoot my ass.
Where the hell? Foil so we can make a tent, actually. That's good. I got a C4 brick. I'm about to blow this shit up.
Yay!
Um, come here.
What's wrong?
I think he's on the park dirties. I think he's on the park dirties. Here, let me get your big ass up.
Hey, I want whatever.
I got it.
I want whatever he's having.
Oh, hold on. Oh.
Yeah, he's definitely on that good shit.
Oh. Oh. You. Oh, well, yeah, just wave at him. That'll help. What is that?
What is that?
What am I holding?
Smelling stuff? Wait.
Oh, recalibrating? I recalibrated him. He's good to go. Follow me. Clear. Take a. What does that say? Does that say take a break? You ain't ever gonna take a break.
I refuse.
Build. No, just follow me.
Oh. Okay.
How do I make him do a command?
That's a good question.
Um.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I got it.
sorry.
Follow me, dingus. Oh damn! I just stamped it. Do him.
Oh, I just realized something. Hey, look in the ocean. Look at the ocean.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm not going any further than that.
I got it. Um, come here.
Oh, come here, Seagull.
Um,
Come here, boy.
um,
You lucky I ain't got a shotgun. That's your ass.
yeah, I don't think he's alive. I was gonna say I don't think
That's
he's
right.
alive.
Keep flying. Keep flying.
Here, let's go over here. We can get a gun really fast if you want a gun.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Since it spawned us at the ocean, we can swim out to that one life thing and get
Yeah,
a pistol.
I don't remember.
It's right over here.
Hello?
Huh?
I just watched you run in one spot.
Yeah, had a lag spike.
The middle. Guess what I found?
Oh, I forgot we gotta eat and drink.
Hey, guess what I found?
What?
Blackberries.
Oh, damn, that's better, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what I found, fucker?
What? What?
A light bulb.
Ooh, I
A
found a
skull.
skunk! Jerry, come here!
I found a skull. I'll take that. That's
Jerry,
mine.
come here!
Now you trying to say sorry. I got a Dotson on them motherfucker.
I found a moose!
Fuck. Catch the nigga down bad, beat him out his.
He is big as hell, and I'm going the other way. I was chasing a skunk, aka Jerry, and
I didn't know there was moose in this game.
yep. Jerry
I wonder if they beat the
Jerry
shit out
wanted
of
to
you.
retreat back to the moose. I don't know what to name him yet.
I wonder if they beat the shit out of you.
I don't think of a name. Philip. His name is Philip.
Philip?
Yes.
Philip? Okay.
Philip the moose.
Okay.
He may not sound intimidating, but get close to him, you'll find out why. He is one intimidating bastard.
I'm at the big part. If I fall, I die. Uh-oh. Well, I see where the gun is going. Is this you?
No.
There's a fire and smoke. What the hell? It's like in between us. Oh, I just fell off the mountain. Oh, I survived. I'm okay.
For now.
What the hell? Okay then.
That's right.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. There's just like a random thingy bobber out here. What the hell is that?
Oh no.
Oh damn! Oh damn! I took some fall. Oh, there's a cannibal. I'm gonna go for a swim. All right.
What is that thing?
Oh, something's screaming at me.
Yeah, I see people that want to jump.
I came across a whole like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's oh hello. I thought that was you, but that's just our buddy just screaming.
That is beautiful. This lake is beautiful. I heard there's frogs in this game, and I want one. That's right.
Alright, I'm swimming out.
I've seen a photo online.
Swimming out.
If it's true, I gotta find me a frog. That would be fire, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I'm heading to you.
Oh, okay.
Let's just cut down some trees.
I remember the last time I
Cut,
hit up this
cut.
floaty
What? Yeah, that is always scary.
Expecting to get absolutely obliterated. But we'll see what happens.
You're smart to think that.
Ow! I got bit by a shark! I knew it!
Yeah!
Let me up! Let me up, let me up. Get me out of the water! Get me out of the water. I'm gonna die.
What the hell? What the hell hurt
Get
me?
me up now! Get me up now! Get me up now!
What the hell?
Damn.
I
got a
have no
gun.
idea.
Hello.
I need a gun.
I'm gonna blow this damn shark in the brain. Where the hell is he? Yeah. Oh, there he is. Whoops.
Uh,
Shark. What you do flashing around? Thinking you were shit?
no, that's only well, time passes.
Oh, okay.
So the more you're in the game, the more they spawn. The harder to get.
Oh, okay.
I think there's a certain point where it stops being hard though. Well, as hard.
What the hell's going on? I think I mimicked that perfectly.
Yep.
What in the hell?
What are you staring at?
Hey, you ugly motherfucker.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't do nothing yet.
One,
Hold up.
two.
Where's my gun?
Oh! Hey, hey, ow, damn!
Hey! 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 Hey!
Hey!
Oh.
Damn, he just threw a spear at me!
That's assault!
Damn.
Assault! Assault!
God damn it! You got how to rev me.
Oh, yeah. Hey, at least the other one
I
ran.
got beat by a bone. Beat me with a bone. That guy got dropped.
You didn't see that, right?
No, I did. Oh, hello.
Oh, yeah?
I'm drinking.
Alright. Oh, not what I meant to do.
Oh. Damn,
just like a
they all ate all the food.
Mm.
We need to take one of their beds. Oh, I got rope.
They can't know what happened.
Hey, I think we should go.
Oh, hold on. Sorry.
Hey, I think we should leave. Hello.
Eh,
Oh, damn.
they will never find you.
Shit out of that bitch. Oh, there's two of them. What the hell?
I got you!
I just cut his head off in one swipe. He just got his head cut off.
I just impaled him in the chest.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's
Hold
dead.
on, hold on.
Yeah, eat shit. Eat shit. Oh, his head's cut off.
Oh, sorry, Kelvin.
Hey, we should start making a camp. Watch out! Watch out! Oh,
You
he's
don't want to
running.
know what. You don't want to know what I did to Kelvin.
Okay, well, let's go find a camp.
Alright, I want to go trick shot someone with these. Speed!
Charlie,
Oh.
it's starting to get dark. We should really head up somewhere.
Hold on, I got a headshot!
That's cool.
Thank you.
Base?
Maybe?
Getting dark?
No, it ain't. No.
Do you not remember how dark it gets in this game?
No.
Do you really
Trick
not?
shot! Trick shot!
We're about to not be able to see jack shit, by the way.
If I wanted to, I could basically hit my own self. If I did it run fashion.
Okay. Down stuff.
Like what?
A tarp. I'm gonna cut down a tree. Get out of our way.
I really cannot see a thing.
I know, I told you this, but you were just like, oh no, we're going.
We're fine. How do I... Oh wait, hold up. Fire.
I got it. Are you making a fire?
I'll figure it out. Oops. Okay. Okay. Stick.
I remember there's a chainsaw for cutting down trees. Next tree's gone.
And then. Fire. Hey!
I'm gonna chop down these
Hey!
two stumps. They're
Hey!
in my way.
Oh! Hey! Get away! Get away! No! It's my fire! Fuck you! My fire! No! That's why I jump in fire.
Hey!
Get away from my fire!
Die!
Yeah,
Oh God!
you're fine.
I think you might have hit me with the hatchet.
Ah!
Hey! Are you down?
Maybe.
You're up. Ow! 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 We're losing to that. I'm down again. I didn't even see him. Please don't die. Thank you.
I got you. I'm running.
Kill that motherfucker.
I'm staying by my fire. This is cheating. I can't see him.
Where's
know-
that little burnt motherfucker
Hold on.
at?
Hold on. Let me make this fair. Hold on. Oops. Let's make this fair. Where's my gun?
Oh, there he is.
Hey!
The motherfucker.
Get away!
Oh, damn!
Get away!
Dumbass!
This is my fire.
Hey, he's dead. I hear more.
Ah! You're on fire.
No, I'm alright.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, I'm on fire. Hey, that's alright. I'm gonna grab... We
How
need
do
a tart. I got it.
Let me just. Ooh, why do I have a head? Alright. Bam.
How do I put items back away? Tab. Got it. Tab. No. Q.
I think it's time to go to bed.
1.
Ready to go to bed?
Yeah, I'm gonna save though. I'm saved and sleep. You gonna sleep? Are you saving
I'm
again?
saving. Now, let's go take a nap.
Enemies are nearby, not safe for them to sleep. Motherfucker. Try again. Please.
Yeah.
Yay! He ran away. I'm starving.
Me too. I'm thirsty. Got water though. Water. Now, we got water. Need to establish food.
You need what?
Food. Oh, wait a minute.
Food.
It's fine. I got berries.
Yeah, I got berries and stuff. I'm gonna worry about you my berries and stuff first.
Where the hell? Oh, I got a tactical jacket. If I can wear it. I can't wear it.
I'm gonna shit. I'm gonna start clearing out a little bit of an area. So that we'll just have more room to work. Oh damn.
Should I put kill?
It is
Hey, should I
trail
put
my way.
should I put her main to work?
No, I'm not worried about actually building right now. I'm just worried about getting a little area cleared out for us to have room to build.
Sweet. Oh,
Break, hello tree.
I'm so strong.
I'm going to just eat an MRE because my guy's like struggling.
Yo,
right now.
James, how you doing?
Alright, I'm eating MRE. My guy's
James, how you
struggling.
doing up there, buddy? You okay?
I'm good.
I
I'm
said,
going now. Oh yeah, my guy's working a lot faster now.
hey, I found James.
Where? Oh
Behind.
damn!
Oh, who are? Oh,
Hey,
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 that is our
get your ass
tree.
down. Get down. You got 5 seconds.
Hold on.
5,
Wait a minute.
4,
Hold on.
3, 2, 1. You're dead.
I
Oh
ain't
damn, he
done.
got down. Never mind. He got down.
Okay, smart man.
Oh, I wanted to blow his fucking head off. He got intimidated.
He got intimidated when I put up.
I want to clear all through here. We ain't got a lawnmower.
Mm-hmm. I am the lawnmower. Oh, sorry. Oh wait, no, I'm good.
Damn tree out of my way. Yeah, cut this wood. Get the hell out of here.
Oh,
Oh damn, oh damn! It's flipping the fuck out, oh damn! Oh.
Huh.
I
maybe
hope you seen what
Shinra's
I seen.
lit. What?
That tree is just having an aneurysm. Can you cut these stumps down for me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna work on building the house right here.
Alright.
Claw. And guys, we know building a base in this game isn't really 100% worth it, building like an actual house and stuff. But we enjoy doing it, so if it's something we enjoy this game, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna obviously beat the game, but building a base is the fun of it. Just how the building mechanic works in this game is really fun. So we're gonna definitely use the building mechanic the best that we possibly can and enjoy doing it while we're doing it. Because that's one of the main things me and Charlie were very disappointed about this game is that we figured out that you don't even need a base to, like beat this game. But we obviously find it the most fun if you, build a base, because that's just like, and you have a little safe haven to be protected at.
Well,
And that's what we're gonna work on in this first episode here the most.
not exactly,
Explore a little
safe.
bit, and then build a little base.
I mean, having a base isn't exactly safe though, because you still
whenever
got.
you get a wall, whenever you get a wall up, it's safe for the most part. We need to work on building a log cart or something.
I'm just watching
about
them.
to blow that motherfucker to smithereens. Charlie, can you keep cutting down logs?
Of course.
Yeah.
Like a little 9x9 little square, or a 3 square. It's gonna be a good little start.
I hope I know what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Oh no, I am good. Okay. Man, that scared me.
Oh, it's flipping
Hey.
balls again.
Alright, I will throw these at you.
How do you throw that? I'm gonna shoot that. You motherfucker. Alright, I'm done. Fucking bitch. That was actually funny as shit. You fucking
was.
shot. You threw a log at him and I fucking. Oh, that's a lot of logs over here.
Mhm.
Can you get rid of the stone for me?
I don't know. Can I?
Yeah,
I
okay,
can.
okay. Just fucking throw them at me. Damn.
Oh, okay.
Punk. Oh, I didn't mean literally throw them at me. Ow, damn.
You can't do nothing about it.
Alright.
Oh,
Split.
I'm just gonna push these. Does that kill?
Pull one.
Oh no! What the hell's going on over here?
What's going on over where?
I'm just watching these like logs is freaking out. Oh,
Thank you. Guys, this episode, like I said, we're building. Next episode, I think me and Charlie are gonna go explore some caves. See what kind of loot we can find in the caves. I didn't mean to do that. How the hell do I take this down? See? Okay, just hold still. Thank you. Place that there. Yeah, looking good already.
alright, you missed one, boy. You missed one.
Damn. I know. I seen that. I was gonna fix it.
Yeah.
Don't.
You know what? You know what?
Um,
I thought you were gonna keep walking. You know what?
Ow, damn. Fuck you.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Where do you want to put log storage
There, and all around us.
at? Okay. I was thinking like over here. What do you think about having log storage over here? Thinking like, how the hell do you make them things?
No.
Sweet.
Anyway, anywhere is fine with me.
It's
Man.
I'm looking for what we can build. Okay, rock storage, stick storage, log storage. We need 40.
Wow, there's a lot over here.
We need 40 sticks. Yeah, 40 sticks. I'm just kind of looking through everything right now. Weapon rack looks kind of cool. I'm gonna build this. I think I can build this. How do I rotate? R. Okay. I got spammy. Oh damn! I ran out of sticks. Wait, there might be different types of walls. Check. Door. Window. Yeah, stone wall. Okay. I got it. I'm building the stone wall now.
That's what you get, boy.
Lump.
I'll let you live. If you try it again, I will not be afraid.
Damn raccoon.
Wait, don't mess with James. You're my friend.
There we go. I need rocks and stuff too.
Like the big rocks
Yeah,
or
big rocks.
Henry? Oh, never mind. You're fine.
Yeah, 'cause I'm working on making walls now. Get this little crawling motherfucker out of here, damn. Man, I'm just trying to
Back
build
up.
some walls.
Back up. Hey, back up, boy. Don't make me. Back up.
Don't make me kill your bitch ass down. Damn.
Back up. Dude, I chuck these like. Quit it. Quit it.
Quit it now.
Hey, back
Hey,
up.
you. Is
Hey.
there fishing in this game? Are you throwing logs at that poor dude?
No.
No, I wouldn't do that.
I couldn't have been. Of course not. That would make me some kind of terrible person.
Oh.
I think.
Yeah, right. He's still chasing.
Why did he
Right.
won't stop screaming? It's so annoying.
Is there any way? Let me see here.
How you
I
doing?
don't want to make a window here. Stone floor, stone
Hey!
door, stone window.
That's the last straw.
Yeah,
That is the last straw. Oh, rock. Hang on, I will
Boom.
beat you with the rock. Come here. Come here. Where the hell did you go? Oh, come here. I'll beat you with this rock.
Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that.
How dare you hit Henry?
I'm making a
I.
window.
Hey. Hey.
Come on.
I'm tired of you. I missed.
Alright, window is completed. Charlie.
Get your ass back here. I ain't done with you, boy. Shit, missed.
Window has been.
Get your ass back here. Damn it. Okay, I give up. We got lucky.
You got lucky, motherfucker. You got lucky.
You're lucky running all fours.
Ah! Are you working on grabbing me rocks now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, damn.
Uh.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind gesture. You know what I've noticed? They've definitely upgraded the building mechanics in this game, because I remember when I used to have to do it one by one. Remember that shit?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was
I used to have to
awful.
pick up rocks one by one. Now I can just grab every rock like I'm just lifting weights.
Yeah. Oh damn!
So is
Gotta
it
duck.
not? Is not worrying? Is it not worrisome about how easily I can chuck these rocks and how far?
I mean, no.
Oh, dude, those. What the fuck?
I mean, come on now, you're Charlie.
I'm down. When you do that, I will raise hell. Okay, he got lucky. He got killed by you. He got lucky.
He's dead.
I'm about to die. I am about to die.
Do I just need
Thank
to drink out of this water?
Yep.
Okay.
That
alright.
is contaminated with bodies
Okay.
that I have no idea where they went.
Drink, Mr. Drink.
Let's just call it mystery water.
Mystery water? I'm drinking Dr. Pepper. Yep. Boom. Well, those are all over there for now. Oh my god, he's back.
Oh, I need to drink water.
Yeah, I do. My guy doesn't need that too. I'm not gonna worry about it. Oh, alright, guys. Oh shit! I put the door
Hold
on the
on.
wrong side. I gotta take it down now. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Let me get more water.
There we go.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yep. Yep, looks good to me. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Sons of the Forest. We plan in episode 2 of Sons of the Forest to start work on a wall, start work on getting more logs to make a wall around the base, roof, some more necessities, and then go exploring to try to find better tools. Seems like what we'll start working on doing. But we hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.